Up everybody, this is Will. What you're fixing to watch is my buddy Shane Kreidinger's 2015 Mustang GT 5.0. Not a ordinary 5.0. This thing has a twin turbo Hellion kit, which is crazy, man. This thing's pushing out over 800 horsepower. It's awesome. Turbo hot and cold parts have been beautifully ceramic coated. This is one of the cleanest installs I have seen in a turbo kit. Shane did all the work himself. He did a wonderful job. What you think in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for future features. I really appreciate y'all watching. Thank you.